Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. I'm so excited that you're visiting today because in today's video, we're going to do a speed cleaning of the kitchen, and then we're going to decorate the kitchen for the spring. So let's go ahead and get started. I prepare a Spanish beef stew in the Instapot, and we have about 45 minutes to get it done. So I'm going to try to do a speed cleaning of the kitchen before the beef stew is done. I'm starting to wash by hand some of the utensils that I used to prepare the stew, and also a Le Creuset skillet that I used this morning for breakfast. The dishwasher is also running, so I hope by the time that I finish washing by hand all these dishes, the dishwasher will be done so I can unload it. When I'm cleaning the kitchen, I always prefer to do all the dishes first, so by that the sink will be all clear. Do you prefer to do that too? Please let me know in the comment below. My husband and I are going out this evening, so as part of my to-do list, I wanted to have the kitchen clean today. So I'm trying to get all these tasks done within an hour, so then we can eat dinner and have all the kitchen clean and decorated before we leave. I was getting water splatter over my clothes, so I went ahead and put an apron on. Moving on, now I'm cleaning the Le Creuset skillet. I absolutely love the Le Creuset brand. It's a very high quality brand and it's great to cook in the kitchen and it's very easy to clean. I use the Mr. Daddy sponge to scrub any debris that is on the skillet. Now the dishwasher completed the cleaning cycle, so I'm going to start unloading all the dishes. In this kitchen, it's pretty convenient to unload all the dishes because I have all the cabinets across from the dishwasher. Now that all the dishes have been cleaned and put away, I'm going to get this stepping stool that I got at Home Depot back in December to start cleaning all the cabinets. I'm going to use the Cloro disinfectant wipes to clean all the cabinets. I'm also removing all the items that I have on the countertops. I like to wipe down all the cabinets doors at least once every 2 weeks. I'm also using the Clorox wipes to clean the outside of the microwave. Cleaning the cabinets takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do, so it's a pretty easy and fast task. In this video, I'm not going to clean the top of the cabinets because for that, I need a taller ladder. I have a 9-foot ceilings in the kitchen, and in other areas of my house, I have a 12-foot ceiling. So I need that taller ladder to reach those areas. As part of the spring cleaning list, I usually like to dust all the areas and baseboards and crown molding on the house. So I include the top of the cabinets on that list. Now that all the cabinets have been cleaned, I'm going to start cleaning all the backsplash and the countertops. One of the areas that it gets pretty dirty is under the microwave. I try to scrub that more often than the cabinets. And I also cleaned the filters a few days ago. Look how greasy it was under the microwave. One of the projects that we did in the kitchen when we moved in 2 years ago was installing the backsplash. After we selected the tiles, my husband installed the tiles and then I grouted them. Now I'm going to give a quick wipe down on the electric mixer and then remove all the grease on the stove to start cleaning the cooktop. The cooktop is not too dirty. I usually prefer to clean it after every meal. By that, it will not get grossly dirty. My stove is a Samsung gas stove. I prefer gas for cooking. Do you prefer gas or electric for cooking? Or perhaps do you prefer induction cook? This stove has 2 oven compartments, so it's very convenient where you're baking. By having 2 ovens integrated in one appliance is very convenient when designing a kitchen. By that, you can save a lot of space that you can utilize for storage. These ovens have a regular baking and also convection, and some of the newer models, they even have air fryer functions. Moving along with the cleaning, now I'm rinsing all the grits and I'm going to dry them with a towel before I put them on the stove. Now that this section of the kitchen is already clean, I'm going to start decorating for spring and Easter. I'm going to add these 2 cutting boards against the wall to disguise the cable of the electric mixer. I picked up these cutting boards at Home Goods. In front of the cutting boards, I'm going to add this riser that is from Michael's, and on top, I'm going to put this very cute bird nest that it was from my mother. A few weeks ago, I got this clutch at Home Goods on sale, and I thought that it was very cute to put all these colorful eggs inside this clutch. And then to complete the vignette, I'm going to add this towel, and I wrap around the towel these very cute carrots. If you are enjoying this video so far, please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss the rest of the Spring Easter Decor series video. We're making great timing with the cleaning and decorating, so now we're going to move to the other side to decorate this section. I'm going to add this beautiful scallop tray that I got at Home Goods, and next to it I'm going to add this greenery. I'm going to embellish the greenery with some carrots, and then I'm going to add this utensil jar that I got at Home Goods. I'm going to also add these very cute carrots with lavender that I got at Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to add my favorite piece of this vignette, that is this beautiful olive oil decanter that I bought in the island of Majorca when I was in Spain last January. I'm in love with this decanter. It's so gorgeous. To complete the vignette, I added this wood container that is for salt, and on top I placed this very cute bunny that is from the Target Dollar Spot. The rabbit spatula is from Home Goods. Please comment below and let me know what is your favorite decorative piece so far. If you like this gorgeous olive oil decanter, please give this video a big thumbs up. Before we move to clean the next section of the kitchen, I'm going to put this beautiful towel on the oven, and this towel is from Home Goods. On top of the stove, I'm going to also add this beautiful spoon holder that is from Home Goods. Now we're continuing with the speed cleaning, and we're going to clean all the island cabinets. And then we're going to clean the sink and the countertops. I'm also using a Clorox disinfecting wipe to clean the outside of the dishwasher. The other day, I was watching Instagram and I saw a post when someone was using a dishwasher tablet to clean the sink. So I decided to give it a try, and it works wonderful. I'm using gloves because the dishwasher tablet is pretty abrasive, but this does a great job. You use hot water and you dissolve the tablet inside the sink, and then you use the daddy scrub to scrub all the sink. And it's amazing how shiny and clean the sink turns out. Please let me know if you have used the dishwasher detergent tablet to clean your sink. I'm using the Cascade dishwasher tablet to clean this sink. After scrubbing everything, I'm going to rinse it thoroughly to remove all the detergent. In the neighborhood that I live at, we cannot have food compactors in our kitchens, so I have to use this sink strainer to collect all the debris. So I found this cool gadget at Amazon that is a cover to cover this sink strainer. So after collecting all the debris, I just remove this cover and throw it away. It's been 45 minutes and the Instapot went off. We have 15 minutes to complete the cleaning and decorating of this island, and I think we can make it. So let's go ahead and get moving. After wiping all the cabinets, I'm going to start decorating the kitchen island. I'm also setting up the automatic vacuum cleaner to clean the floor when I'm completing the decorating of the island. A few years ago, my husband bought this vacuum cleaner and he named it Rosie from the cartoon The Jetsons, so she can clean the clutter of the household. And I will say, Rosie does a great job vacuuming the floor. We have a little dog, and every day I set up this vacuum cleaner and you will be amazed on how much dog hair she picks up. On the kitchen island, I'm going to use this beautiful tiered tray that I got at TJ Maxx a few years ago, and I'm going to add this very cute mug that is from Pottery Barn, and inside I'm going to add a few carrots. I'm going to add this very cute 3-piece set that I picked up at the dollar spot at Target last year. Below, I'm going to add a beautiful tower that my daughter brought me from Portugal, and also I'm going to add some Easter eggs from the dollar spot at Target and a beautiful bunny also from the dollar spot at Target last year. Now we're decorating the last section, and I'm going to add this beautiful soap from Home Goods. I'm also bought some fresh flowers at Trader Joe's, and I'm going to put it in this picture that is from Michael's. And to complete the vignette, I'm going to add this very cute bunny. And now Rosie is completing the cleaning of the floor. And my friends, we completed all these tasks in 1 hour and 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at how everything looks. I still need to finish cleaning the coffee bar section and the breakfast nook, but because we're going to eat and then go out, that task will be done tomorrow morning. So be sure to subscribe so you will not miss the decorating of the coffee bar and the breakfast nook. So now that everything is clean, my husband and I are going to sit down and enjoy a delicious Spanish beef stew, and then we're going to go out to the movies. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. See you next time.